may self-compassion ka, normal ang maging compassionate sa ibang tao, di ba? Pag may problema ang friend natin, we say, okay lang yan friend, don't be too hard on yourself. We all make mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them and move forward. Ang tanong, ginagawa ba natin sa sarili natin yan? Alam mo kasi anak, being a business owner can be really tough. No, maraming mga challenges, setbacks, at even failures along the way. Kaya lalo na kung ang mga members of your family and your friends are not business owners. Kuminsan, hirap ka na nga, sisisihin ka pa, tama? Sasabihin pa sa'yo, sabi ko na, huwag ka nang magnegosyo Bumalik ka na lang sa dating work mo, right? Kaya it's so important to practice self-compassion. Be your own friend. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Instead na sisihin mo ang sarili mo kapag nagkakamali ka, reframe the mistake as a lesson to learn from. And the losses as tuition fee that you paid so that you learned that lesson. Remember, ginawa mo naman ang lahat ng makakaya mo at that time, di ba? Kaya move on. Always practice self-compassion. That's how to be a business-minded Pinoy.